Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Gala continues to show us no signs of a bottom in place, no signs of a low in place. In fact, it seems like this wave 5 is currently still playing out. Yeah, it could be wave 5 of C of 2, which would be the bullish interpretation, and that is technically valid as long as price does not break below 1.52 cents. Then we could rally in a third wave next. Much higher. Yeah, this is not the primary scenario due to the fact that the price came down too low. If I show you that Fibonacci retracement zone since the December lows, you can see that price broke already below the 78.6 Fib level. That's a no-go. That is really dangerous. It did that already here in June, but only briefly. So we gave it a chance, but it failed again and is now making a new low, even lower, so we cannot trust it anymore for a wave 2. It's just too low, but it's not invalidated. It will only be invalidated below 1.52 cents. So at the moment, I leave it on the chart just in case it gets a crazy turnaround. Yeah, but what I would look at if we get a rally, and at the moment I don't even see a sign that a rally has started or anything, but I think we need to be ready for a potential rally starting in a C wave at least. Because you can interpret that in a different way. We can say that we had an A wave to the upside that rallied off the December lows. Then a B wave now to the downside in an A, B, C structure. That can come down lower than a wave 2. Yeah, if it comes down lower than a wave 2, it could be a B wave if the move down is still corrective and it looks corrective. Why is that? It's simple, because B waves can be corrective and they can overshoot to the downside if they need to. That's something that we always need to bear in mind, and then they can still rally in a C wave, but eventually it might make a new low. Okay, very important. So primarily I'm watching for the blue wave count to give us a signal that the C wave rally has started. In the blue wave count, which is basically in the short term the same one as the white wave count, so it is bullish, but the difference is it's only short term bullish. Very short term, we're of course in this downtrend still, but we're waiting for signals that this C wave has started. Resistance for the C wave is, let me just double check something. Yeah, resistance for the C wave is 5.4 cents to 7.9 cents. So it would really take a break above 7.9 cents to indicate that an overall bullish scenario is playing out. That this is not just a larger wave 4 correction, which would also lead to significant increases, but it would really take a break above that level, because a break above the 50% retracement would indicate that this is not a wave 4 anymore, a sustained break. We talk about a sustained break. But in the very short term, all this speculation doesn't really matter, because in the very short term, price is still heading down in this descending corrective price channel. So what we need to watch now are the next relevant support levels here at 1.52 to 1.55 cents. They are target levels and Fibonacci extensions that we defined in previous videos. These are levels where a turnaround could happen. I mean, it can really turn around at any time, but of course we're looking for levels of interest, and these are two. And if price turns around early, I would like to see confirmation through a break of the descending price channel to the upside. That would indicate that a low is already in and that it might attempt a rally in a C wave. But then I would like to see a 1-2 setup. So something like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to see the first 1-2 setup. That would give us a clarity that the C wave is running. Bear in mind, we're still on a very small time frame here, and sometimes these rallies can happen very, very quickly. But still, I can't really give you anything bullish right now, because so far price hasn't given us any indication, not even on the lower time frame, that a turnaround is happening. But I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.